Good morning, all of you. As we discussed the capital market, and we also discussed the topic of role and importance of capital market, today we are going to discuss the first part in the capital market, that is the primary market. So here, when you talk about the meaning of primary market is a market which deals with new securities where the companies, government or public sector institution obtain funds through the sale of securities which are sold in the market for the first time. So when you talk about the primary market is a marketplace where the securities like shares, debentures, bonds, mutual funds are sold for the first time. First time in the sense where they are being given for a subscription from the customer who is in the person who is interested in investing in securities. The person can invest with the help of primary market. That is what the primary market is. The meaning of primary market is it is a market where funds are raised by industrial and commercial enterprises from investors through the issue of shares, debentures and bonds. It is also called as new issue market for the public. So the primary market refers to, it's also called as new securities market or new issue market, where the issue refers to the issuing of shares, debentures and bonds. It is done for the first time. Let us understand the features of primary market. The first and foremost is market for new. It is not new. K is silent here. New long-term equity capital. This market for new long-term equity capital where the securities are sold for the first time, which helps in generation of equity capital. So this primary market is a market for new long-term equity capital. Equity capital refers to the investment of shares which is being done through the primary market. Next, securities are issued by the company. So here the securities are directly being issued by the company. In primary market, securities are issued directly to the investors. So here there are no brokers or agents or intermediaries from whom the securities are purchased. Securities are directly purchased by the investor through the company. So the company directly sells those securities to the investors. The companies issue new securities certificate. As soon as the subscription is done, when the allotment of share happens, company receives the money from the investors and issue of certificate related to the security. Related to the security refers to, so the certificate copy is being given for an investor. It might be for a share, debenture or a bond used by companies for the purpose of setting up new business. Primary market issues are used by the companies for the purpose of setting up new business and also for modernizing the existing business. So usually with the help of primary market, what companies do is when they get money, when they receive money from the investors, with that money what do they do is they invest that money in existing business or modernizing the existing business or setting up of the new business or setting up of new projects for the businesses. Next is performs the crucial facilities. The primary market performs the crucial functions which facilitates the various industries in capital. So generation of capital or formation of capital is very a crucial activity. So here with the help of primary market, this generation of capital or formation of capital is being usually been done by the primary market, which is a major task of the primary market, which generates capital for industrial and commercial purposes. Next point is the new issue market does not include. So it does not include sources of long-term external finance such as loans and borrowings from other financial institutions. So here companies are having other sources of finance also, where it generates long-term finance such as loans and borrowings from other financial institutions that are not included here. So only the subscription amount which is being called by a shareholder, or the subscription amount which is called by a debenture holder, that only those things are included in the primary market. The last is redeemed by the original holder. The financial assets can only be this financial assets only can be only be redeemed or transferred to the original holder, who is the investor of securities. Just for an example, so here a person has taken money from his father, like 1 lakh rupees. He has invested in shares. Tomorrow his father cannot go and claim, ನನ್ನ ದುಡ್ಡು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಂಗೆ, ಅದು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ that security is only being transferred to that particular person. That is what the primary market is. This is the 5 marks question. Fine then, thanks a lot.